graciously, Mr. President gave us a chance to come and brief him, and it lasted very long. We gave him an update of what has been the case and what is going on. And even when he was out there and before coming back, he was constantly in touch. He was giving directives. He was following developments. And we, in charge of the security, got the opportunity today to come and brief him properly for hours. And it was very, very detailed, and it was exhaustive. It was complete and A to Z what has been the case and what's been happening today. And we listened and we took instructions from him. We got new directives. The fact is, Mr. President is insisting and working so hard to ensure that we have peace, security, and stability in our country. We gave him what is going on, and we also assured him that work is ongoing and continuous. We also carried out his instructions. We went around. The chiefs were all out where we had these sparks and incidents of insecurity. Plateau State, Benue State, even Borno, these particular 3 states. And we gave him a feedback because he directed us to go meet with the political authorities there. Issue of insecurity often is not just federal government. It involves the subunits. They are the ones who are directly with the people, especially if some of the challenges are more or less bordering on community problems. Not entirely everything is that, but of course it plays a significant role. You need to work with the communities. You need to work with the local governments. You need to work with the governors, especially the governors. The president continued to direct that we should be doing that, and that's what we are able to. And we are very happy, very satisfied with the instructions and the directives given by Mr. President this evening.
Okay, definitely. Now, what should they?
He's so worried and concerned. He insisted that enough is enough, and we are working and to ensure that we restore peace and security. And all of us are there. The armed forces are there, the civil police, the intelligence communities. They are there. They are working there 24 hours. And we feel that we have done enough to believe that we are on the right course and we'll be able to be on top of things. We are getting the cooperation of like I said, the leadership at the state level and everybody. So we are good. It's not really 100% that everything is safe and secure, but we are going there. Things have improved since, and we'll continue to be there. We will work. It is his own instructions. Things have changed in this country. We've continued to, talk about it. Security is about relative. What was it and what is it today? You compare how things were in the past. We do not underestimate even one life lost. We don't take it for lightly, no, at all. But certainly, a lot of things have changed and improved, and it will continue to. We are on right track. We are on right direction, and we will not relent. We will not sit down. We will not stop until when we are able to achieve results. The same thing with Borno. Borno State, yes. We knew things escalated in the last few months or so. But these people you are fighting, evil people, will not just sometimes sit down and accept defeat. They will show their own. They will try to show. Most of the death and also casualties we recorded are as a result of IEDs, improvised explosive devices, that they will go planned for innocent people to come and just anything on top of it is explode. And then often you have large number of casualties. We have also seen opportunistic attacks. When for a long period you have more or less a relative peace, then they will come cowardly, go around and do a bad thing. And for your information, when you are having peace and you are beginning to get used to it, if one bad incident happens, you forget or you will easily not remember this period that he enjoyed peacefully. That is what is going on. There are people who don't sleep, who work throughout, who do not go for any break or holiday, who are making sacrifice, many, just for us to achieve this semblance of peace that we are enjoying. And they will continue to be there. I think it is also appropriate that people should take note of that. There are many who are doing this work.